Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing grenades only. This guy I just met, he wants to join. So we're gonna invite him to come play with me in a grenades only. Thank you guys for the 42 subscribers, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, I'll join you.
Okay. Fresh. There we go. Fresh. Alright, I gotta take that, and that out. And then I got to
smoke
all my grenades.
And then I gotta, okay. I got my grenades. Sticky, normal, and smoke.
That's what I did. Bro, one in the living tombstone, bro.
Alright, let's go.
Jeez.
This is gonna be a really rough day.
We're probably gonna be
Yeah, we're gonna be. Are we for real? Nah, at this point they're just straight up. No. They don't have to do it. They don't have to do it. That's the problem. I can't lie, bro. This is kind of XP farming with what challenge, bro. With what we're doing, bro. We're doing grenades only. Like for us, for a YouTube video. No. For our YouTube, for my YouTube video, we're doing grenades only. For us, you don't have to use it, but.
I got a good idea. I just shooting a grenade only.
Nah, my teammate's evil, bro. Someone kill him. Someone sticky bomb.
I couldn't sticky bomb anyone.
Are we for real right now? Where that hits? Bro, I'm getting hit by all them grenades, bro. Your skeleton teammate's rigged, bro. He's actually buttons. No offense. He's definitely buttons.
I'm really quick gonna
Missed.
That should be you, Polar.
I got my controller.
Yes, just wanna get sticky bomb, bro. Nah, bro, you're cooked.
I got it.
Phantom 22, I know where he is, I think.
Bro, I keep getting hit by your stupid little skeleton teammate. Oh my gosh, bro, your skeleton teammate sucks. I won't lie, bro. Like, come on.
I'm top one at bombs.
Stupid
How
skeleton.
about we change to how about we use one movement? I hear we were sticky. No. He's one. I can't.
Let's go. We got him. One more player to go.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh, no. Just die. Yeah, come on, booby trap, bro. Get close, you're dead. Oh no.
You died.
Keep on,
I hit him. I just sticky.
Bro, you died so quick.
I stickied him.
Where is he?
He's low.
He's close. That's all I know. Up here.
He's low.
Oh, yo, I'm cooked.
Yes, run.
Let's go. Yes.
Let's go.
We just got a team on his teammate. Then we're okay.
That way we actually killed Apex. It's way we're
You know what? I'm using katana as
Yo,
movement.
You wanna win it this time, bro. You wanna win it. Last time was bugs, bro. Straight up.
Stop shooting at me, you little weirdo. Freaking Uzi spammer. Get alive. Oh, wait. He.
Sticky bomb. That's sticky bomb. That teammate, you're cooked.
I
Yes,
died.
Your teammate died. Your teammate went pew pew.
Your teammate should have been dead.
I'm right here. No, I missed the stick bomb. Yo, I'm cooked.
Why are your teammates lagging?
Let's go! Oh my gosh! Wait a minute. They all died. What? How?
Skeleton.
Round starting.
No, the skeleton died too. Nah, the skeleton sucks, bro. Like, fix your internet.
How did you think of it? A bomb only?
It's for a video.
Sticky bomb him. Sticky bomb him. Sticky bomb him. He's cut. 99.
That's stupid. Nah, skeleton, fix your internet, bro. You actually have the worst internet ever. Stop spamming.
You're cut. Y'all cut.
I'm not dead until I say I am. I'm not dead.
Killed one.
Dude, this okay, no, your skeleton friend needs to fix his internet. He's actually an Enderman.
Why do we just use
Bro, we can't beat that stupid little skeleton because of how laggy he is.
I'm the top.
He's teleporting! Look at your friend! Look at how your friend's moving, bro. Like, how am I supposed to beat that? How am I supposed to get sticky on that?
My friend got, my teammate got like 2.
Bro, your teammate needs to quit,
How did I
bro.
miss the sticky bomb? Yo.
Can I please go for your teammate? Holy
Yo. No!
Your actual stupid little... Bro! Nah, skeleton, you're not even good. Skeleton, you're not even good, bro. You're actually buns. Bro, you were teleporting! I couldn't even see you! You went into the 5th dimension! This is why your fingers
Bro,
are bloody.
let's do
Rematch if y'all want.
Bro, I am not doing a rematch with someone that's moving at 2 miles per
Are we doing
10 hours.
No, let's do melee only instead.
Melee
Melee only.
No, bro,
Grenade
I'm doing a
only.
video. I can't switch up the rules.
I got puppy eyes, bro. Look at my eyes, bro. You're puppy eyes, bro.
The thing is, bro, like, this guy's internet actually sucks so bad. Fine. But only
Which
this
streak on the
once,
line,
because
bro?
I'm
You
not
think
dealing with
I'm-
this no more, bro. Actually, this would be a great map for this.
Are we doing melee only or bomb only?
We are doing, grenades.
Look.
Grenades. You can use katana for movement.
Grenade
You can-
only katana.
You can use
Grenade
katana
only
for...
Katana? I didn't know. Clue. We had.
Katana's for movement, though. If you use it for any attacking purposes, you're out.
The peak of bombs.
Okay.
I'm the
If you
peak
use
of bombs.
katana for any attacking purposes, then you're out.
I hit one of
Hey,
them. He's
get
gone.
over here! Get over here!
I killed him.
Get over here!
I killed him.
Hey, I said you can't attack with melee.
Yeah, you're cooked. You're cooked.
I said you can't attack with melee, dang it.
Never have I ever stick together. Yeah, you're cooked. Ooh, that was a headshot.
You can't
No,
attack
no,
with
no, I use
melee.
melee, bro.
You can't attack
Oh,
with
but I
melee.
know you're able to use katana.
For movement.
Ring
What's up?
around the rosy. I can't.
Bro, go up to him, my sticky bomb.
Sticky bomb him. Sticky bomb him. Bye bye.
I had full health.
Let me.
I'm dead.
I killed.
Bro, you hit me. You hit me.
My bad. I'm sorry.
You can't do it. You can't do that.
You hit me, so I hit you.
Yo, I missed the ball.
I hit
Let's
him.
go. Let's
I
go.
won.
Wait, how is it a round lost? What is this?
I won.
I know, but it said we lost. Look at the scoreboard.
You ran into my.
Nah, bro, this game's actually rigged. Bro, how do you guys actually win when you lose?
Oh, I'm gonna sticky bomb you, bro.
No.
Come on. Oh no. Ah, hit 60, 68 for the polar.
I'm dead. Bro, I got attacked with a katana again.
Yeah, Jake.
Why do you guys hit me with
I
katana?
got him with sticky bomb too. That's your joke,
No, you didn't.
He's low though.
You got this.
No.
No, he's nowhere near low. Watch out, sticky grenade.
Yes, he is low, just. He's low.
Bro, he's at full health.
Yo, why you know with katana?
He was at full health.
Nah, he's not full health, bro.
Well, he's a little down now from that one grenade.
He's a liar.
Hit him! What are you doing? You can't hit him with the katana. Skeleton.
He hit me.
Yeah, him with
Bro,
the
what
katana.
is this? This stupid game won't work, bro. Like, we're actually killing him.
Just hit with katana.
We're
because
no,
you-
we're killing him, and then it just doesn't work, bro. What is this?
Bad internet is just a bro, it's basically cheating.
Nah, bro, this actually practically is cheating.
Yo, why you hit me? Hit me with the timer, yo.
Accident, bro.
Got him.
Did you throw that sticky bomb at me?
Yes, I do.
Still alive, yo. You don't wanna mess with me, yo.
Hey, yo, you want to do a crossbow only in a bit?
I'm cooked.
What?
Teammate, I'm cooked. Teammate, I'm cooked. Teammate.
Are we for real?
Yeah. Catch up, teammate. Sticky bomb.
Bro, how are my viewers supposed to hear
I killed him
you?
with my grenade. I killed him. Ah! Yay.
Not bad, bro. I got sticky bomb twice by the polar bear.
Bro.
starting.
Well, now it's gonna be even.
My music's gonna be cooked. Oh, yo, watch out. Get up. Move out of the way. Yo,
I have a grenade.
Yo, I hit polar bear for a lot, bro. My speed bomb. Yo, why you chasing me, yo?
Yeah, I'm just kind of. I'm in the moment right now doing another video.
Sticky bomb. Finally, I got the polar bear.
I'm dead, bro. I'm doing a grenade only. A grenade only. Yeah.
Yeah, you're cooked.
This is gonna be the whole round,
Oh,
and then
no.
it's just a singular.
Oh, no.
It's 2-1 right now. Somehow we're losing. Watch out! There's a grenade. I
Boom.
just warned you,
Hey, that's not part of my
You didn't roll me in time. I couldn't move in time.
bro.
I have no time.
Yo, teammate, don't leave on me, bro.
Round starting.
Teammate, don't leave on me, bro.
Whoa! He attacked with the melee, bro. He attacked with the melee. Let's go! I killed one.
Oh no.
If anyone attacks with the
Free for all
melee,
duo.
attack them back.
Fuck him.
If you ever have a heart attack, attack them back.
I missed.
No.
Let's go.
Yo, I'm cooked. Did you hit me? No.
No, I didn't hit you.
Yeah, I don't know how I missed that. Oh, wait, honestly, I could survive if I hide, bro. Because you took more damage than me.
These are
I missed. Let's go.
They're moving,
Ow.
bro. Sticky bomb.
That wasn't a sticky grenade on me. That was a normal.
I don't you should die, bro. Yeah.
No! I got you too, though. Let's go!
Yo, how much HP are you at?
I'm at 61.
I was
bro. Is there different types of stickies?
Round starting.
No, they're skins.
Is there different types?
sticky bomb. Somehow you won.
Missed. Hey, no attacking with the melee, Mr. Skelly. You back away.
How much HP were you?
What the freak?
Teammate.
How'd I miss that? Ah! My bad, you ran into my katana.
Dude, I still missed the sticky bomb even when he doesn't even look at me.
Oh, 90.
I also missed on your teammate with the sticky grenade. Ow.
Haha, killed him.
Oh, I died.
How's he not dead? He's low. He's really low. He's really low.
But I don't know if the polar bear didn't die last round. Like, I hit him for bomb and I hit him a lot.
Yes, yes.
Let's go.
I predated it. He moved.
How?
and I-
Okay, wait. How'd they get the 3
I
wins?
threw sticky.
No matter what, sticky.
I
Whatever.
threw sticky.
I'm not gonna lose this.
Round starting.
Ah!
So I hate this monkey thing, yo.
I'm scared.
Oh, yo, you barely dodged that.
I got it on your teammate's head. Hee hee hee. Let's go. I killed one.
I'll win.
Let's go. I'm too good with sticky.
No! Die! No!
Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, I can't lose my win streak, yo. Please.
Let's go. Come on, teammate. We gotta win this.
Round
And if
starting.
they start putting our cards, I'm going
Oh, we're
to.
not breaking.
Because we agreed.
I don't wanna lose my
Let's go.
streak.
Bye bye.
87? On.
Killed one?
Yo, I teammate. You ready, die?
Ow. No. No, I didn't get to shoot my sticky. He's over here. Win this, bro. Be careful for the grenades. He's over here.
Yo, if you hit me... Whoo!
You got this, bro.
Just get
He's over here.
hit.
On our side. Die. What? How?
Hey,
Dude,
you know,
I'm literally one shot.
Just put a sticky on him or smack him with a normal grenade and he's dead then. Be careful though. Do not fall for a trick. Oh my gosh! Yo, let's go!
I sniped
Yo,
him.
GG,
I
bro.
sniped him.
GG.
Bro, did you see
That was
that?
intense,
He was
bro.
moving, then he got sniped.
Yeah.
Yo, GG. GG, bro.
My streak! But whatever. GG.
You have a nice day.
Have a nice. Bro, did you see that snipe?
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Alright. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment W Venomous. Make sure to comment W Venomous. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Bye.